all of the supplies that we're gonna use to create this beautiful DIY. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. I picked up this clear serving bowl. Either you have a choice to get either 2 large styrofoams, or they also have a pack of 4. And the picks of your choice, the ones I personally liked was the icy berry ones. I may not keep the berries on all of them, but a couple of picks. I think this is about 8 to 10 picks. 1 garland here. This wire is optional. I'll show you how we use that. And these little ornament hooks, a pack of ornaments, and that's all we are going to create this. So let's get started. The very first thing, and I'm going to use a hot glue gun, and I went on and I saw that they had wire cutters from the Dollar Tree as well. The very first thing we're going to do is take the clear bowl and hot glue down these styrofoam directly to the bowl. This is how it's going to look when it's all glued down, just like that. The first thing I'm going to do is remove all the tags. Once you have all of your picks separated, you will have individual greenery like this. This is the goal that we're looking for, because then we'll be able to control and place it the way we want it, okay? So we just want to separate all of our picks and get all of our greenery and berries separate. Okay, now that we have it wrapped, I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of glue just to make sure the garland will stay in place. How it should look, the base of it. This is the clear plate. So just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and start using our picks and start just placing them directly inside of the styrofoam. Just randomly place it. So you see how it's starting to cascade out? This is what we want to do completely around, all right? Size candle, not necessarily the color that I want, but I like the thickness of this candle. I'm going to place it here, and then this is going to be my guide to finish putting the picks directly in there until it's close. Let me show you how I want it to be. So this is the how fullness I want it to go around the candle. So I'm just going to continue to fill in the picks. I like the picks because I can move them around and stand them up because they are wired. So I do like that a lot, and I really like the piney ones the most, and even the snowy ones. But nonetheless, I'm going around and just finish sticking in our picks like that around the candle. So I'm using this candle here as a guide. So I pretty much got all of the greenery that I had available filled in. As you see, we still have some spots that we're gonna go ahead and finish adding and embellishing with pine cones and the frosty berries. before I go ahead, and I do have 2 more picks that I did not take apart that has these little balls. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it in here. These ornament hooks that will stick directly into the styrofoam. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it and be done with it. It'll be easier. So I'm just gonna put a little glue on the back of the ornament and stick it where I see fit. Just randomly place them. So a completed look here. It's filled with berries, pine cones, and ornaments. This is definitely something you would see at the higher end stores. This colored candle is because I like the size of it. Definitely choose whatever color, match your decor, and you can change out the ornaments. This is just giving you a general idea. Okay, so this is our finish. Beautiful centerpiece. I'm so proud of this. I've never attempted this before, but it looks beautiful. This is the floral wire that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'm not quite sure what happened when I was placing it here on the centerpiece. I guess the clip was lost. Only thing I did was I unraveled the floral wire and cut it into 3 different sections and placed it directly into the styrofoam, and this is how I created it. The possibilities are endless with the floral wire. It cuts really easily and you place it directly into the styrofoam. So this is how the centerpiece is looking here on the table. But let me go ahead. I'm going to add in some string lights just to give it a little sparkle. But I wanted to share what it looks like without the string lights if you choose not to do any string lights, okay? Okay, now that we have the string lights pretty much, it'll be much easier if you had green string lights to blend in with the greenery. I can't locate mine. These string lights did not come from Dollar Tree, but I know they do carry some. They did have some icicle lights. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hide the battery pack by tucking it under the garland. Just stick it in there where you can't see it. And make sure you hide all the wires and tags. This is how it's looking. How beautiful is this Dollar Tree centerpiece? I love it. This is my very first Dollar Tree DIY. I am just blown away at how beautiful it turned out. Let me zoom out and I'll show you how I set the table to go along with this centerpiece. These red beautiful chargers are also from the Dollar Tree. I was absolutely surprised. We've been overseas for 3 years, so I'm coming back to the Dollar Tree and just absolutely blown away. Let me share. I could not believe that these beautiful Dollar Tree chargers were there. They had silver and gold, but the red with the centerpiece is absolutely beautiful. I want to thank each and every last one of you for clicking on this video and hanging and stepping out with me as we DIY this beautiful centerpiece. I meant to say thank you so very much. Please make sure your bell notification is on so you will never miss an upload from me. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you here. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I will speak to you guys very soon. Let's go into the reveal. Here's the final result for the beautiful tablescape with the DIY we created right here. My very first Dollar Tree DIY. I'm absolutely over the moon happy about it.